Campfire burning bright as the shadows dance in our off-grid cabin. We find our chance. The crackle of the flames, whispers of the night, listening to the creek. It feels just right. Wild noises surround us, a symphony of the trees. Every rustle and chirp carried on the breeze. The world fades away in this peaceful retreat. Nature's embrace makes our lives complete. Wildhaven, where the heart roams free under a velvet sky. That's where we wanna be, growing our own plants with the wind in the leaves. Self-sufficient living in moments we believe. Stars shining bright like diamonds in the dark. The sound of the ocean, just a distant spark. With every breath we take, the wild draws us near. In our tranquil paradise, there's nothing left to fear. The laughter of the wildlife, the rustle in the brush, every moment cherished in nature's gentle hush. We cultivate our garden with hands in the soil, finding joy in the harvest, the fruits of our toil. Wildhaven, where the heart roams free under a velvet sky. That's where we wanna be, growing our own plants with the wind in the leaves. Self-sufficient living in moments we believe. Off the grid, away from the hustle and noise, here we rebuild ourselves, finding forgotten joys. The man can't reach us in this sacred space. We're working the land with love and grace. With every sunrise, a new beginning unfolds. The laughter of the cosmos in the dawn's embrace holds a life that's simple, a life that's true. In our Wildhaven, it's me and you. Wildhaven, where the heart roams free under a velvet sky. That's where we wanna be, growing our own plants with the wind in the leaves. Self-sufficient living in moments we believe. As the stars twinkle softly, we gather round the fire, telling tales of old, our spirits rising higher. Each ember that glows reflects our dreams shared. In this wild sanctuary, we feel prepared to greet each new day with open hearts and minds, surrounded by the beauty that nature binds. This Wildhaven calls us with every gentle breeze, together forever, just you and me, please. So here we remain in the embrace of the trees. Wildhaven, Wildhaven, where we live with ease. No place like this, a treasure we hold dear. In our off-grid paradise, we've conquered every fear.